I am always on the lookout for new fidgets, and these are ones that we just got. And I will say initially, I wasn't sure how I would feel about them, but I am a fan. I love the colors. The colors are amazing, but they're just super cool. And they work both ways, so you can, it's just a lot of fun to play with. And my son actually really likes this one as well. And each shape, the inside will go in the black piece from the bottom and from the top, which is super cool. And this is made from that 3D printing material, which is why it's got the blue-green color to it. But because of that, it has that sound that 3D printed fidgets make. And I happen to like that sound. If you are not a fan of that sound, then you definitely would not like these fidgets, but I love that sound. I don't know. Here, well, that is just a very soothing sound to me that kind of scratches my brain. So I absolutely love it. But this little set is going to be one that I'm probably playing with during my meeting tomorrow. And my son has already asked if he can take these to school, so I'm sure these are going to make an appearance at school when my son does his state testing. So if you're looking for a fun fidget, this is definitely one to consider. And they do not take up a lot of space. As you can see there, size-wise, they are not big at all. So they don't take up a lot of space on the corner of your desk or in a backpack.